everybody. It's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. You're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Out my VIP group. Ellie's Talking Chalk VIP. Right. And you can also check me out on Instagram and YouTube. Our situation is a little bit different today. Everything's kind of all shut down and crashed. Yeah, so if it's a little different for you, you can deal with the way that it looks. I hope you can. Well, hey Heather, thank you for jumping on. Hey everybody. Ooh, I love when I have technical difficulties. Okay, we're gonna check this part. See, I was almost gonna do it backwards, but I have to actually take the plastic off this anyway. I love when we're having technical difficulties and we'll end up jumping on more. I think it's karma. All right, just trying to get this. Paul, can you your nail underneath this part? Hey Gail, Trina. Oh, everybody's jumping on. I like it. Can't get the tape off. What is everybody today? Watching from PA. Awesome. All right, just waiting for the husband. There we go. All right. Now again, we're going to just check it so that the top is where it's. And then we're going to do the I love you for heifer. Oh, no, this is, oh no, it's right here. Sorry, y'all. Today's interesting. So we're just going to take this. It is super sticky. These are reusable 8 to 12 times typically. Sometimes even more if you're taking really good care of them. See? Like, I don't even have to hold it. So we're just putting a bit of fuzz on the back. That's why we call it fuzzing. Just to make sure that it doesn't stick too hard on the transfer and not be able to peel up and stretch your transfer, because then it will not be nice to use for other times. And we want to get the most out of our money with it, so. Do you guys do anything for Valentine's Day? Do you have kids that give out cards or anything? Let me know in the chat if you're on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know where you're coming in from. And also, if you want to know about Chalk Tour, hashtag Chalk in the comments, and also hashtag club in the comments if you want to know about the club subscription. I will message you after. Hey Amanda, how are you, honey? Okay, so now we're just going to apply this on here as nicely as we can and as straight, because everybody knows I'm a little crazy when it comes to things being even. No Valentine's there? No. There, that's not fully even, but it'll work. I'm doing well, hon. How's the hubby and the kids? No littles? Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I was going to do the cow in white and the words in purple, but then I got an idea that I could do a hot mess technique, which would look really cool. Typically we'll go out for dinner or we'll order something nice in. We don't really do a lot, I would say, but it's just me and the hubby. So all you have to do for the hot mess technique is drop a little bit of your paste wherever you want. Oh, that was a lot in one spot. Although the purple will take over, so a little bit more white than the purple is actually a good idea. Just keeps it a little more bright as well. Hey, Kristen. Awesome. Love it. Alright, so now I'm going to put the purple on it. Should put more on the words over here too, though. Now, this is where you lose a little bit more of your paste than you would normally want to. And again, I am using paste, so this washes right off. You could use ink if you wanted it to be permanent. It's all up to you. So again, it's just putting the ink or the paste wherever you want and pulling the other colors through as well. It gives more of like a marbling technique. I like it for the cow because then the cow's got like spots. It's kind of why I really wanted to do it. But then I decided I was going to do the whole design like that, so. Now I want to go pretty good over this, but then I also really want to go fast because it's going to dry and it's going to get harder to pull up without pulling the actual color up with it. So you're going to scrape up all the excess. That's why I said you're going to end up losing a little bit more than you would normally, because normally I would just put it back in the container that I have taken the color out of. But so here we go. Now because I fuzzed, this is really easy. You want to pull it as evenly as you possibly can though. Oh, top of the cow. Awesome. He lost his back a little bit there. So you can always reapply and just check on it. Oh, and I didn't get the top of my L. Or, not my L, my F. And the bottom of my F. Wow. All my F's. Wow, that sounded like I was swearing. Yeah, it's really cool for the cow, I think, because cows aren't typically all one color. Hey, Michelle. So that is our marbling technique, or our hot mess. Do I have that in the right spot? Yep. I went blank. Oh no. That's okay. We're having some technical difficulties, people. Work with us. But that is our final product. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give me some likes. Follow me on my Instagram and my YouTube. And like and share this with all of your crafty friends. And I will talk to you guys the next time I'm live. Bye, guys.